On the surface, Gloria may look like she lives an organized, almost minimalist lifestyle. But legend has it, Gloria has a dungeon, tucked far, far away in the basement. You never know what you'll find in there. Hey guys, it's Gloria. The legend is true. I have a storage full of crap, mostly clothes, that I don't need. This is the thing that I've been procrastinating for the longest time. I moved in here almost a year ago. When I moved, I simply moved all my crap from the old storage to the new storage. And I kept telling myself I would get to it. A year later, it's still there. But today, we're going to sort things out together. Call it minimalism, call it essentialism, whatever. I'm going to get rid of everything that no longer brings value into my life. This is going to be my biggest decluttering ever. Now, I'm kind of excited and scared at the same time about what I'll find in there. Anyways, let's go to my dungeon. Okay, these are the things that have been hidden in my storage for an entire year. I have no idea what's in these boxes. I hope I don't find anything embarrassing in there. Anyways, here's the game plan. I'm going to go through everything and then I'll decide if I want to keep, resell, donate, or recycle. The goal here is to not keep anything. I told you this is going to be the biggest decluttering ever. Or just me questioning my life decisions throughout the entire video. We shall begin. I'm going to start with these two boxes. Let's see what I find in here. My old jewelry stand, donation. My old shoes, they're pretty disgusting. I think that's recycle. Ew, recycle. Well, now the exciting part. A whole bag of clothes. Let's see. I've got my first white shirt. This goes to donation. This shirt's pretty brand new. Resell. My old pajamas. I was a polar bear. What the fuck? My mom gave this to me. Apparently this would attract success or love. She forgot which one it does, so I guess I'm keeping this. Maybe I should keep these. Yeah, they are so crazy. They're like upside down. Maybe I should keep these. I'm keeping these. I'm not gonna show you these because these are my old underwear and socks. So yeah, no. Oh. My old straw boulder. I dropped it into the water when I was kayaking, and this is what it looks like now. Yeah, no. Donate. Donate. This actually has sentimental value. This t-shirt says In Sundry Languages, which is a theater production that I co-wrote and co-starred in for 4 years, so I'm keeping this. When I was young, I used to wear crop top a lot. Does that even rhyme? No. Okay, now we're gonna review the second box. Je m'en fous. Oui, c'est vrai. Okay, let's do this. Ugh, I need my Tim Hortons to get through this. What is this? This is such a nice shirt. I bought this dress when I was 19. I still have it. I know, I just can't get rid of it for some reason. Like, obviously, it would be ridiculous if I wear it now. Does this count as sentimental item? Let's see if anyone buys it. If not, I'm keeping it. Ooh, ooh, no, no, no. Stay. The fuck is this? Okay, I thought this was a beautiful dress. I mean, I was pretty young. Ooh. I made my mom buy these for me 8 years ago. Why? Why? Do you think anyone will buy these? Except for me. I wouldn't buy these. I don't know, I'll try to resell them because they're like brand new. No! This is an avalanche. Mamma mia. Let's see what I have here. Ooh. A pink Canada Goose. Okay, I bought this when I was 19, okay? I'm no longer a teenager, so I don't think I should be wearing pink anymore. So this is definitely going to resell. Money. What am I supposed to do with this? Take it to the bank? I don't know, I'll have to deal with this. But this is actual money I found in my suitcase. Don't mind me, I'm just listening to the sound of money. A sleeping bag. Okay, I bought this sleeping bag a few years ago when my parents came visit me. I made a trade with them. I said, instead of staying in hotels, you could take my bed and I could sleep on the floor. In return, please buy me a pair of Louboutins. And they agreed, so I bought this sleeping bag and I got my Louboutins. Should I keep this sleeping bag and do this again? Probably not. Let's donate it to the shelter. Okay, my friend Henry gave this to me. I don't need this, but it's a gift, so I don't think I should donate it. So I guess I'm keeping it. This is another birthday gift from my friend Henry. Henry, why do you keep giving me random stuffed toys? I guess I have to keep this. This doesn't do shit, okay? I guess I'll just donate it. Boring. Disappointing. Ooh, clothes. Oh, one of my oldest dresses. I'm not gonna wear this ever, but it's kind of like a sentimental piece. Let's see if anyone buys it. And that's it. Well, I know there's a huge pile for reselling, But knowing me, I'm definitely not going to resell everything in here. I'll probably just take them to Plato's Closet or something and see what they take, and I'll probably just donate the rest. We'll see. Look at this madness. Madness. This is a reminder to wash your clothes before you resell or donate them. Well, there's gonna be a lot of laundry today. Let's do this! Okay, I know my goal is to not keep anything, but there are some things I still find value in. For example, sentimental items. I am keeping this t-shirt. It represents my theater years, and these random stuffed animals, and also this thing that my mom gave me. I found a few pieces that I could style, and actually I'm planning to make a style by decade video in the future. So I'm keeping these as my potential costumes. These are all the things I'm going to resell. I know there's a lot. These are clothes, outerwear, some shoes in a bag. All of these things are still in excellent condition, but some of them are like 8 years old. Well, what can I say? I take good care of my stuff. And I know myself far too well. I know I've got no patience to sell everything individually, so I think I'm gonna take everything to Plato's Closet and see what they'll take. These are the things I'm going to donate. I've got some clothes and accessories here, and some shoes and lifestyle items. But in reality, it's going to be a lot more than this, because I'm going to take whatever doesn't sell in Plato's Closet and move them to the donation pile. I try to resell whatever I can because that way I know for sure it's going to have a home and not going into the landfill. And whatever's left, I'm taking them to the Salvation Army. I've been there before, they're super friendly. They not only take donations, they also take care of your recycling as well, which is pretty nice. Speaking of recycling, this is the recycling pile. I'm going to recycle anything that's too old, ripped, or stained. Basically anything that's hopeless or cannot be saved at this point. I'm sorry. Fuck, I need to go now. There's gonna be a provincial lockdown effective tonight. I have like an hour and a half left. Wish me luck. No, so many cars. Fuck. Let me in, let me in, let me in. We are here, and also my sunglasses are broken. Yikes. Let's go. These are for reselling. They're only taking seasonal items, so I'm gonna bring these 2 bags and this bag. Guess how much money I got? $25. And I spent $8 on pizza. Okay, they only took 8 pieces because we are literally going into a lockdown. And plus, they say my clothes are pretty dressy for teenage girls, so I would be better off taking them to Style Encore, which is their sister store. They take more mature clothing. So basically, they're telling me I'm old, I guess. I'm offended. It's too late now. Everything's closed. So I might actually have to try it after lockdown. God knows when the lockdown is going to be lifted. Anyways, let's go to the Salvation Army for donation. Let's go. I hope I still have time left. Fuck. Shit. I lost my DJI Osmo Pocket and I can't find it. I am filming on my phone right now. I literally can't see it. What the fuck? Where did it go? Fuck, I can't look for it right now. I need to go. Oh my god, found it. It dropped in here. And we made it to the Salvation Army. Hope it's still open. These are all for donation and recycling. Hi. I'm here from donation.
Donation?
Yeah.
Do you have it right now? Or
Yeah, it's at the back. Yeah.
So I can help you in the back.
Okay, thank you.
Did you lock the door in the back? Yes. Oh, she has donations in the back.
Yeah, right there. Thank you for taking this.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you. Bye. Well, I made it. Unbelievable. I am so thankful they took my stuff in the last 5 minutes. Whew. Okay. I can peacefully eat my pizza now. Well, thanks for watching today's chaotic video. I'll see you next week. Bye.